Today we've got a 2016 Ford Focus 1.5 TDCi with roughly 58,000 miles on the clock. So we're going to do the tyre pressures next. On pretty much all cars you will find a sticker a bit like this one, either inside one of the door apertures, the door shuts, or inside the fuel flap. A lot of cars have it stuck inside there. It gives you the tyre sizes and pressures depending on what's fitted to the vehicle. This vehicle has the 205 tyre, which is right at the very top of the list. And we're just going to go for standard loading, 1 to 3 people. It gives you 2.1 bar for the front of the vehicle and 2.1 for the rear, for 1 to 3 people. It'll be slightly higher if you're planning on loading the car right up. So we'll go with 2.1 bar. This is a tyre pressure gauge, quite standard to what you'd find in a petrol station, a bit beaten and battered. So take your dust cap off, push that on. Hold it on tight. If you don't hold it tight, it'll let the air out the tyre like that. And I think we're around about right there, 2.1 bar, and the black scale on the right side, which is just over 30 psi on the red side. If you did need to inflate, obviously press down all the way, just do it in short bursts. And if you get too much, just press the lever halfway and keep letting it up, and that lets the air out. And that's it there, 2.1 bar.